right, that was the CEO of Levi Strauss, Michelle Goss. She was a guest of yours on Mad Money last night, and I think that what she said goes for so many other CEOs. We've heard from so many, not necessarily publicly, but certainly we've been talking to them on the phone.
And she's sourcing 20 countries. She's trying to figure out what to do where. But what matters is they have tremendous organic growth. Management reiterated their earnings per share guidance of $1.20, $1.25. Our friend Matt Boss has a terrific piece out saying it's the early innings, upgrades to overweight. Don't forget they have a 3.8% yield, and denim is doing incredibly well. And you come in, the stock's at 10 times earnings. This is the kind of thing that I like. Stock that has just been crushed, where the fundamentals are actually improving. And there are enough out there that you just have to find them. So I like Levi Strauss very much.
Okay.
And look, I think that their direct-to-consumer initiative is very strong. And I think that there are things, David, like I think
does she know yet, though, how they're going to be impacted?
No, but at this point, I think what you would say is, does it really matter at 13? They will struggle through. It's now at 15 since they had such a good quarter. I think a lot of situations, David, are where you just say, you know what, it doesn't matter. They're down so low. And there are a lot of stocks that are down 50%. Look at Broadcom, David.
Yeah, which announced a
$10
billion buyback.
And by the way, just so you know, that has to be done by year end. Hawk 10, the key line was, and we're going to buy it by year end. That stock was down 38%, and it hit every quarter. So, I mean, there you go. Like, what was that doing down 38%? Well, because it's data center. The word about data center is...
Right, it's through December 31st of the end of the year.
No,
so it's not necessarily an accelerated, but it's kind of fast.
Right, and so there's one you can buy because it's underneath.
Yep.
It will always be there. We'll get a big sell-off tomorrow, say, because of China.
AVGO.
Can we go back just for a second to what Eunice said?
Sure.
I think it's interesting.
Sure.
I think that what's at the crux right here is that U.S. companies with power are saying, you know what, we're not paying. You've got all those orders that you made for us, all that stuff. It's going to sit on a dock. The hell with you. The Chinese say you can't find anybody who else can make it.
I know. I mean, when it comes to Apple, for example, and this has been reported by others as well, but I've heard they were finding as many 747s as they could to get iPhones out of China and some out of India as quickly as possible, right? You can fit 200,000 iPhones on a 747, is my understanding.
Okay. So that's not...
They're trying, what I've heard is they were trying to get 2 quarters worth of inventory out of their manufacturing bases into the U.S.
That's incredible.
Because, you've got this pull forward in demand. Right. We all talk about it. Price of your iPhone's going to go up. It's hard to imagine it won't. But buy it now.
Right now, no. If you go to T-Mobile, you're going to get a great deal.
Right now, no. And so that was the hope. I don't know if they reached that goal or not. I haven't heard specifically from Apple about this.
I don't either.
I was hearing about it from other parties, and it's been reported on as well. But 200,000 iPhones on a 747. And they're trying to fill up, or we're trying to fill up as many to get them here today.
Wow.
Got to get them here today.
Now.